Guys, guess what? I am so delighted to show you that my banana shoots. Yay! Yes, my banana shoot, guys. So I have been observing it this time and I knew that it was going to shoot. Let me take you back to there. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all and God bless you all. There's actually a few ways to tell that your banana is actually going to shoot. All right. And one of them is, let me go around, this right here. I don't know if you can see that there is a bulging right here, and these parts, as more and more banana leaves come out, you notice that here gets smaller and smaller going up. So this one is out, then this one, and this one, then this one, this one, this one. Yes, I noticed that much. Another way to tell is when you get this smaller leaf inside. So Stacey, how do you know that this is going to be a smaller leaf? Because it starts to open up. Alright? So the other one that comes out will be the final one. If ever you doubted what I told you earlier about the banana getting ready to shoot, now take a look at the leaf. You can see its progress. It's actually going to open up, as you can see right there, and it is smaller than the others. I should really stand up on something and let you see what's happening inside. So this small one now, and this right here inside, it is solid as a rock. Yay, banana ready for shoot. Yes, so the banana is actually ready to shoot. This is the state after a few days. Yeah, so this is the smallest one right now. And this one, it is very hard. You can tell that something is inside. Alright, so looking at my banana tree right here, you can see that a lot of leaves are on there. I was recording, but my mic wasn't up to it at all. So now I'm doing a voiceover. So like I was saying, there are too many banana leaves on there at this point. Seeing that the banana shoot, I want it to focus its energy on giving me nice fruits. So right here, I'm just about to take off some of the leaves. I think I took maybe 3 or 4. Yeah. So now it can focus, on giving me nice, lovely bunch of banana. All right, so yes, I am so excited. You know, I have had a banana produce in one of those 5-gallon bucket before, but I've never had any produce in this 17-gallon container. I'm getting another sucker right here. Let's take this out. Right here, along with this. I'll soon take those out. Still have that little one right there. So yeah, like I was saying, I am so excited because it's the first time around in this container, so I would love to see how this banana will turn out. Of course, the shoot inside is way bigger than when I had the first one, so I may just get a lot more bananas the than the first one that I got. So I am just sharing this with you for those who are in small spaces and you want to grow your own banana, or you're on a balcony and you want to grow your own banana. I mean, just having it being grown is a lot of fun. Moreover, getting an harvest. So this is just to encourage you to go for it. Continue to stay with me on this journey, and let's see how this banana tree will produce for us. I am so excited and I'm so looking forward to a beautiful bunch of bananas. I am just taking you a trip back down memory lane, my first banana. And for those who don't know, this is in a 5-gallon bucket. So yes, like I said, you don't need to have land space to grow your banana. So right here, one of my banana, a finger right there, you saw the split. So I was basically just bagging it up so that and no insects got into there, because I saw it the night, the evening and the morning I woke up to it. So I decided that, hey, I wait too long for this banana. I can't let anything go to waste. And so I just bag it up and I did enjoy my bananas. Can I tell you? And oh, I know persons will ask. This is actually a dwarf variety. I do not know the name. My mother had some bananas, a lot of bananas, and I noticed that she had these small ones that were producing. So I asked her for the sucker, and that's how I end up with them. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.